Hey everybody, it's New Year's, so I'm doing my New Year's cleaning right now, and I don't know if you can see behind me, but I'm going through like my pantry area. I just have like, forgive the mess, I just have like the tiniest little kitchens. I'm like going through everything, checking my spice rack, like my oatmeal thing is empty. It just seems like, yeah, I'm discouraged. I don't have a lot of storage, and stuff just ends up getting set like this. Like, instead of poured in the jar, it goes in, and got napkins. My kombucha that looks like a science experiment gone wrong. But he's happy. I don't know if you can see if I jiggle it. There's some bubbles in there. Maybe you can't. But yeah, I try to keep a lot of my stuff in glass jars instead of in plastic. But it's just getting crazy. Like, these just got thrown here. I just don't have a lot of storage. So maybe you guys have some ideas. But I have this shelf. That's where I keep a lot of my bowls and baking things. The most used stuff. And then, like, I brought some things up from downstairs in the garage where we keep a lot of, like oil and canned goods. All my big bulk spices. So I've pulled those up so I could refill everything. Potatoes, like, I keep my flour and everything in this bag or this bucket. It's like baking stuff because I just have the one little. So yeah, happy New Year's. Happy cleaning. I don't know if you guys do this, but this is like, I don't do resolutions, but I do kind of go, I don't know if I'd call it Marie Kondo, but I do kind of go through each room, especially the pantry, because you gotta find stuff that's expired or whatever. You need to use it before it expires. Oh, look at the sunshine. The sun is out right now. It's so lovely. I love it. So that's why I'm in here working. I gotta go through all my tears. I think we're just gonna resort to redneck. I think it's just gonna be like sour cream containers, pesto. I just can't find the lids to everything. I'll show you downstairs where I keep all the other stuff. I don't know, maybe you guys have some good ideas. There's some good stuff on YouTube I've seen. Some of you ladies are way more creative than I am. Maybe you give me an idea. Okay, here's my pantry area, so-called, where I keep like all my extra canning jars are up there. I've got one of the pressure canners is there. The big pressure canner is right here. And then all my stuff, like food, canned food. Like, I've got a whole thing of peanut butter. Anyone need peanut butter? We've got plenty. And we're gonna redo the hose and everything here, so it'll hook up and we can reel it in. And we gotta find a new spot for the car washing stuff. But other than that, yeah, this was fairly well organized. Like tomato stuff. I've got all the beans and lentils in here. Is that oatmeal? No, that's rice. I should haul that up. Refill my rice jar. But yeah, this so far is what I got. So empty jars go up here, or most of them are up there. So if I need a can, I can grab those, wash those up, and then use them. But yeah, so I have to come all the way downstairs for that. Oh, and the deep freeze is down here too. But there's no room for it upstairs. But it is kind of nice because when I pull in, I can just put most of the stuff there and not have to haul it up. And then all the fresh stuff comes upstairs. But yeah, I need ideas. I'm going to work on it and show you what I do. But I am open to suggestions. I'm pooping out. I've redone my room. I've redone some other stuff. But for the most part, the house just looks like a bomb went off in here. It has to get worse before it gets better, guys. It's just the way it is. So yeah, dealing with my tiny kitchen. But yeah, and then my spice drawer, it just looks, we had an explosion. I didn't realize some spices are so oily, like they have like oil in them, and it just stained. So maybe I need to go to Dollar Tree and get some like drawer liner paper. They have had the cutest, I think it's for lining drawers. It's like contact paper, sticky on the back, but like super cute prints on the front. Maybe I'll bring one home and show you. I think I have one at the church. So yeah, give me ideas. I'll look. Just, it's one big shelf. And I want to keep like potatoes. You can see down there I have garlic. Like maybe some bins with, yeah, stuff for produce. I don't know. And then over here I have, like, I'm trying to make this, nooks are silly to me, but I want to keep this guy in here. I put him in here temporarily, and I want to get like a little coffee table. So my friends are over, because I cook from scratch a lot. It'd be nice if someone pops by to not have to stop cooking. Just be like, hey, make them a cup of tea and set them right here so I can keep going. I'm not good at multitasking and talking and doing, but I think I can do it. I can just listen. I'm a good listener. I can put them there, they can have tea and listen. Oh yeah, and this too. My recycle area. Ugh. I don't know what to do about that. Maybe just have the children take it out more often. Maybe that would work. But I'll be back. I'm gonna work on this, and then I will maybe bring you along with me, or I will show you when I'm done what I did.